Once again, Lord God, it's me. It's Lil Jeff, the same kid that used to cry on his knees when his mama would leave. His pops was already gone, so you promised to be a father to me. But I feel like you've forgotten to be, cause I'm hurting and I know that more is promised to me. But honestly, I can't picture me living profitably. Obviously, your plans ain't for my eyes to see, but thinking logic keeps me from thinking positively. You understand? As I take my life into perspective, analyzing my years, my hard times, my fears, the tears I cried to my cheers, I realize I take for granted the length of time that I'm here. My days are numbered, despite wives, lives, and rising careers. I seen it on the news and thought this wouldn't happen to me. Then I never questioned that until it happened to T. Holding back the tears as I passed by his casket to see an only child who got blasted at accidentally.
Slow motion for me, stick like a post-it on me. Do the spin like a skew, slow roast it for me. This ain't a talk show but you the view. Baby girl stay fly like a beauty do, while your boy get back to his duties, boo. Another day, another dollar, I'ma holler at you. But before I bounce, one last request. Move like a snake for me, baby, no contest. Yo, I love the way you move, I love the way you talk, I love your attitude, I won't forget the way you walk. I'm feeling you, hey, you knew this, girl. You know you feeling me, now let's do this, girl. I love the way you move, I love the way you talk, I love your attitude, I won't forget the way you walk. I'm feeling you, hey, you knew